Today we're taking a tri-tip, a little bit over 2 pounds. We're going to cook it sous vide. Then what we're going to do is finish it for 1 hour in the pit barrel cooker to put some smoke on it. Alright, this cook's going to be real simple, straightforward. I've got a 2.2 pound tri-tip here. I've trimmed it very, very minimally. And how I'm going to season it is we've got this new rub, this Holy Cow barbecue rub. I'm not going to use a binder or anything. I'm just going to season this guy up. And then we're going to move it over to a bag and vacuum seal it. And I'll show you how we've got our Anova Sous Vide device set up. I did just want to bring in a close-up of this rub. You can see it's got these really dark pieces of seasoning in it. Don't believe I've ever seen a rub that looks quite like this. The ingredients are salt, spice, dehydrated garlic, and spice how do you say the word? Extractives. So again, nothing magical here. We're just going to get our tri-tip down in this bag. I'm going to take it over to the vacuum sealer, seal it up, and we'll be right back. I've got this Anova Precision Cooker set at 127 degrees. You can see I've got my tri-tip here, all sealed in the bag. Just going to slide this guy down in here. Okay, flip it here to the side. And we're going to let this go 6 hours at the 127 degrees. We're at the 6 hour mark. Turn this guy off. What I'm going to do is put it in this ice bath. Alright, I want to stop it cooking right away. I want to cool it down. I'm going to let it sit in there 2, 3, 4 minutes. And then we're going to move it to the smoker so we can get some smoke flavor on it. The tri-tip's been in here about 4 minutes, I'd estimate. I didn't time it. Nice and cool. Alright. Yeah, we're going to get this guy out of here. Right, it's cooked right now. It's going to be rare. You could eat it right now. I want to put some smoke on it. I want to put some color on it. All right, going to hang it here in the narrow end. Okay. Now let's get this guy over to the pit barrel cooker. I'm going to let this guy go exactly 1 hour. I've already got it preheated. I've got 4 chunks of oak. I want to use a stronger wood because, like I said, only 1 hour, and then we're going to slice it. Okay, it's been 1 hour. It's starting to rain. It's getting dark. It's only like 5 o'clock. But you can see we do have a little bit more color now. Let me just get the temperature checked on this guy. Hopefully you can see that. We're up to 131, 132. I'm going to pull it and we're going to give it a slice. All right, let's give this guy a cut. I'm just going to cut it right down the center. Then we're going to turn him around so you can see the inside. I think we're pretty darn close to medium rare right there. Let me just cut off a slice. Alright, I should have sharpened this knife a little bit before we started, but we'll still get there. Okay, let me just get off another piece. Alright, now what I'm going to do is we're going to slice off a piece like this, like so. Then I'm going to take just a little bit of that gremolate. I don't know, that might be too much. We're going to give this a try. Alright, it's got great tri-tip flavor. I mean, you know, that nice beefy flavor. I really like that rub, the seasoning that we put on there. I don't get a lot of smoke. I don't know if you can see that or not. Comes apart real nice. Now, is it worth 6 hours of sous vide? Don't get me wrong, it's good. But if I were being perfectly honest, I would tell you that I like it reverse seared or smoked better. I like the smoky flavor you get. Even though I had 1 hour in there and we had 4 pieces of oak, I just don't get the smoke. And if we would have cooked it, you know, another hour or another half hour, we would have been beyond medium rare. So it is good. If you don't have a smoker, it's a great way. You know, the sous vide tri-tip is a great way to do it. For me personally, I have the smokers, multiple smokers. I would rather, on my tri-tip anyway, you know, like I say, reverse sear it or smoke it. Hey, thanks again for watching another one of our videos. If you're not a subscriber already, I hope you hit that armadillo pepper icon. That'll get you subscribed. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down in the comment section below.